Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Living Expat in the Philippines. It's me Noah. I'm here in Zamora Farm, Bohol. I'll just show you the lake. The water is getting higher and higher of the rain. I don't know if you can see those people there doing their laundries in the lake. That's how they do it here. They wash their clothes in the lake. So I'll just show you around. I have one pig there and the other one is here. She just gave birth. mm, they she has 8 piglets, but the other 2 died because of the eye of the piglet is, I think, the piglet can't see, and it's so very small. Hey. So I put this styrofoam here just in case of the rain, so the piglets can go inside, so they know where to go if in case of the rain. That's the mama pig. That's the piglets. Right. Dik 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 dik. Right.